Greetings, my name is McDaniel-Lee, and I decided to do my project 2 on culture. Excuse the lighting, we're having a bit of a power outage in my area. So, cultural background. Our cultural background basically defines who we are as people and where we are from. It influences what we know, believe in, and value. It also is related to how we think, feel, and behave when it comes to things that matters the most to us. When I think about cultural background, I just think about basically the roots of where we are from. It defines us, as the definition says, and is very important when trying to get to know someone. When it comes to culture, sometimes you undergo ethnocentrism. When it comes to students from different cultures, they sometimes experience, as I said, ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism is defined as the view that one's culture group is superior to all others. Ethnocentrism can happen at schools, and it could be carried on inside the classroom. Ethnocentrism is related to maybe sometimes students getting bullied because their particular culture is not the normal culture, is not what the other students are used to. It's out of their norm. So most kids get bullied because of that. Sometimes they go through the patriotism where they don't want to pledge allegiance to the flag because of their culture, says differently. So that's all the things that's related to ethnocentrism. So what should we do as teachers? As teachers, I feel like we should set a classroom environment where everyone is treated equally, maybe introduce new cultures within the curriculum so that students can learn more about them. If we don't introduce cultures and all of our students is used to the normal way, as they may see it to be the normal way of doing things. When other students come over from out of the country and they have different beliefs and they are accustomed to different things, the kids sometimes does not respond well to them because it's out of the norm. They think it's weird. Sometimes, as I stated before, they bully other children. So I feel like if we as teachers kind of prepare them for maybe different cultures and talk about them, then it would be less complicated for them to adapt to it when different students of different backgrounds and cultures come to their schools. Another way is you can be an advocate for students of different cultures. Maybe put on assemblies to kind of, get them to feel as if they're a part of what's going on. Maybe share their cultures with other students, or display them in some kind of way where they feel important as well. Because in the United States, it's pretty much the same. We pretty much follow the same culture. It might be something a little different, but it's pretty much the same. Versus if you go out of the country where they have different beliefs and different ways of doing things. It's their norm, but it's not our norm. So when students come from different cultures to the United States, it's best to kind of make them feel good about themselves and feel like they belong as well as other students. And thanks for watching.